Hey guys, Dr. Decks here. Today we're playing in the rain, so thanks for coming to our channel and watching us. We really appreciate it. If you like what you see today, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit that bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. All right, so we're down to the nitty gritty. We just have a couple of benches to finish building, and then we have to put up a safety rail for a grabbable handrail for our client. And after that, we just have a couple miscellaneous things to do, and we'll be buttoned up on this project. We'll be on to the next one. So follow along and see how we do today. All right, so the last time you saw us, I believe I was out of town and Dustin was framing up some stairs and some benches. So let's check it out. Got a little grab rail that we put in right here. You can see that this step is finished. The deck is all wrapped and ready to go. So I'm not sure if the fascia was done last time or not. We're right in the middle of building this bench right here. And we also have the other side of the stairs down over here. So these have all been installed, secured, they're finished. We did a herringbone pattern in the corners, just like we did on the upper deck, so everything matches really nice. We also got the Regal Ideas, they wanted a windbreak over here because it gets a little bit windy. So we put in a couple panels of Regal Ideas crystal rail so they could have a little bit of a not so windy spot on the deck. So we're just getting down on this bench. Once that is done, we'll wrap it, and then we just have to put in the grabbable handrail to kind of match that one over here and do a little bit of trim work, and we'll be buttoned up. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. If you like what you saw today, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the bell icon to be notified when we're putting out new content. Don't forget to like our videos and leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as the rain stops. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.